Hi, my name is Morissey Lira, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make a lava lamp effect in After Effects. This effect looks a little complicated, it looks a little complex, but it's actually very cool and very easy to make, and I hope you can use someday in the future. Let's get started. So you're going to open up After Effects and select New Composition. This pops up and you should be able to name it Comp 1. It doesn't really matter. Name it whatever you want. Down in the resolution section though, you're going to click the panel and choose quarter resolution. You will also have to change the duration to only 20 seconds and choose your background color and make it white. Press OK. Next, we're going to come up to Layer, New, Solid. Select Solid. So this pops up, you can name it whatever you want, it doesn't matter. Go over to your color and you can select whatever color you want. This is going to be the color inside your lava lamp. I'm going to go ahead and choose red. Yeah, you can choose whatever color you want and then press OK. Now you're going to come up to Effect, Simulation, Mr. Mercury. Now you have this really cool looking effect of all these blobs spewing out of the anchor point. Now grab the red bar and shift it a little bit to the left. This way the blobs are already birthing and you don't really see the starting point of their birth. Next, have your make sure your solid is selected and press S on the keyboard to pop up scale. Let's go ahead and make this 250. Now go to the Y value of your producer here and change that to 770. Next, go on to velocity and change this value to 15. Right under that is the birth rate and go ahead and change that value to 0.3. And right under that is longevity and change that value to 5. And right under longevity is gravity and we're going to give this a negative value and make it -5. Right under gravity is resistance, make that value 4, and then we're going to go down to blob birth size and we're going to make this value 0.5. And right under that is the blob death size and we're going to want to make our birth size and death size equal, so make the death size 0.5 as well. Next, we're gonna go over to our effects. We can go over here to effects and presets. We're gonna select it and inside the search bar, search box blur. Fast box blur should show up and we're gonna go ahead and grab this effect and drag it onto our solid. Now we have this new cool setting on our effects controls and all we have to do left is go over to our blur right here and you can actually change this into whatever setting you like. You can play around with it. I like to play around with it. I like to make it a little bit more clearer. That's why we're going to end up at a value of 10 and that's pretty much it. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. I hope you can use it in the near future. It's really cool. I hope you found it really appealing. And that's going to be it. Thank you so much for tuning in. And this is Morissey Lira. Thank you so much. Bye.